Do you know which is the largest mangrove forest in the world? Spanning approximately 10,000 square kilometers across India and Bangladesh, the Sundarbans is the largest mangrove forest in the world. This incredible ecosystem is situated in the delta region of the Ganges, Brahmaputra, and Meghna rivers and is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Sundarbans is not only the largest mangrove forest but also home to an astonishing array of biodiversity, including the iconic Royal Bengal Tiger, estuarine crocodiles, Indian pythons, numerous fish species, and over 260 bird species. About 60% of the Sundarbans lies in Bangladesh, while the remaining 40% is in India. To know more about, kindly subscribe the channel and like the video.